Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. We are revising important topics in psychology for first BHMS students. This topic number is 29 and it deals with contemporary schools of psychology. Many psychologists came up with theories and sub-theories, out of which 7 are the main schools of thought and they are considered important. Their brief is as under. The main schools of psychology includes number 1 is structuralism school of psychology, second is functionalist school of psychology, third is behaviorist school of psychology, fourth is psychoanalyst school of psychology, fifth is Gestalt school of psychology, sixth is humanistic school of psychology, and seventh is cognitive school of psychology. So the first is the structuralism school of psychology. Its founder was William Wundt. Other associates included Edward B. Titchener. Focus of study was the content of consciousness. Method of study, introspection, examining contents of mind through careful self-examination of thought and feelings of self. Comparison to modern psychology, it has a limited effect because it does not describe the nature of behavior. However, it is very important because this was the first scientific school which explored the psychology as a subject. So, it was instrumental in putting this particular subject as a scientific subject. Second is functionalist school of psychology. Its founder is William James. He was a leading psychologist. Other associates include John Dewey, James Rowland, Engel, and Harvey Carr. Focus of study tries to discover how and why brain works and its relation to consciousness and behavior. Method of study, it is introspection, self-report of thought and feeling. Comparison to modern psychology, it is very closely related. Third school is the behaviorist school of psychology. Its founder is J.B. Watson. Other associates include Pavlov and Skinner. Focus of study was type of stimuli brings about different behaviors. Only observable and measurable behavior is subject to objective observation and studies. Method of study only behavior that could be observed directly. Effect on modern psychology, it made a very big impact. The fourth school is psychoanalyst school of psychology and its founder is Sigmund Freud. Other associates include Anna Freud, she was the daughter of Dr. Freud, Carl Jung, and Erik Erikson. Focus of study was behavior is unconscious and treatment of emotional disturbances is more important than functioning of the brain. Method of study, use of free association and dream interpretation to explore the unconscious mind. Effect on modern psychology, it gave a very deep impact. Fifth is Gestalt School of Psychology. The founder is Max Vermister. Other associates include Wolfgang Koher and Kurt Kopfer. Focus of study is analysis in terms of perception and focuses on total behavior pattern, not just a single reaction. Method of study: human beings respond holistically to experience. According to the Gestalt therapist, any separation of mind and body is artificial. Influence on modern psychology: it had a considerable influence. Sixth is Humanistic School of Psychology. The founder is Abraham Maslow. He was a lead psychologist. Other associates include Carl Rogers. Focus of study is to understand psychology. We must look at individuals and their motivations. Method of study focuses on individual free will, personal growth, and concept of self-actualization. Influence on modern psychology: there is a considerable influence. Seventh is the Cognitive School of Psychology. The founder is Ulrich Nisser. He is the father of cognitive psychology. Other associates: Kohlberg, Piaget, Knob, Vygotsky, and Brunner. Focus of study is as part of larger field of cognitive science. This branch of psychology is related to other disciplines including neurosciences, philosophy, and linguistics. Method of study studies mental processes including how people think, perceive, remember, and learn. Influence on modern psychology: it has a considerable influence. This is the bibliography for this present work, what we have cited. Thank you very much for patient listening.